Okay, we are up to stage 3 of this tree trimming, and you can see that tree in the background now it's a little bit more clear and evident. You can see how leaving the height's going to give it a nice look. It'll give us a nice separation between the two properties, and also it'll allow for some shade, but not so much that plants won't grow on the side of the house or anything like that, like what's going on right now. All right, I'm going to go around from the other side and take a look, but as you can see, this is a lot of timber. Plenty of stuff coming down. You can see that even though we're taking so much off the other side, over here we're maintaining this nice lush foliage, and really can hardly tell the difference from before we started to now, at least from Monique's side of the property line. And they'll take all this away as they go. I have them removing everything little by little as they clear it out. But you kind of get the sense that from Monique's side, you can see that it's all looking pretty much the same. It's a little lighter, there's a little less shadow, but for the most part, we're maintaining that nice, lush green foliage. Okay, so this is from the backyard perspective, and you can see we're gonna keep that nice height on that tree. This really is a pretty tree. You wouldn't want to lose that, but but obviously all of this overhang and everything's got to go. So we're doing good. Stage 3, continuing on.